In this video, I'm going to show you how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll down and find Snap Map, then tap on it. From here, the main thing you need to do is make sure Ghost Mode is turned off. To do this, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner and toggle Ghost Mode off. You can also choose who can see your location. My friends accept, or only these friends. Select the option that works best for you. I'm going to choose my friends. Once that's done, open the Snap Map, and you'll see your current location displayed on Snapchat. Now, you can simply zoom out on the map to find nearby friends on Snapchat. You can add them by tapping on their profile, and you may also be able to view their snaps if they have shared them on the Snap Map. You can also go back to the settings icon and make sure Hide My Live Location is turned off. Additionally, you can use Quick Share to share your live location with your friends and easily add them to your friends list. That's it! This is how you can find or add nearby friends on Snapchat using Snap Map. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.